Hi everyone, this is Geetu Mirpuri from Divine Touch Healing Academy, Pune. I'm a crystal therapist. I conduct classes on crystal therapy and these classes are conducted online. You can contact us on the number, email given in the description below for learning crystal therapy online. This video is to explain you how to cleanse the crystals and how to connect, how to activate your crystals, how to connect with your crystals. When you receive the crystals, in case you have ordered the crystals online, you are receiving the crystals, or the day you are buying the crystals, notice which period you are in. Are you in waxing moon period or waning moon period? Waxing moon period is from no moon to full moon, and waning period is from full moon to new moon. If you have received your crystals in waxing period, you can just cleanse them for one day and then you can start programming and start using the crystals. In case you have received your crystals in waning moon period, so wait for the no moon day. So many, whatever days are left in no moon day, those many days you have to cleanse the crystals. Every day you can follow different ritual. Sequence is not important. I'm telling you the few rituals. Any ritual as per your intuition you can choose and you can cleanse your crystals. The first one is you have to wash your crystals under tap water. Simple plain water you will wash the crystals. Second ritual is you can keep them in the bowl of rock salt. So rock salt will absorb all the negativity in the crystal. Step 3 is you can keep these crystals in rock salt water. Ritual 4 is step 3, you will keep them in rock salt water and then you have to remove it from it next day and wash it under tap water. Next ritual is you can keep these crystals out in the sunlight for 24 hours. So sunlight will remove all the negativity from the crystal. And next is you can light a matching color candle next to the crystal. So this is yellow color crystal. What you will do is you light a yellow or brown shade crystal candle next to the crystal. So the flame of the candle will remove all the negativity stored in this crystal. You can also smudge these crystals. You can use any favorite herb and pass this crystal through the smoke for 30 seconds. So smudging will remove all the negativity from the crystal. Next day you can also give Reiki to your crystal. And if you don't know Reiki, you can use positive affirmations, you can use prayers. So these different rituals you have to follow till you reach no moon day. So no moon day you can next day, which is we call it as new moon day. So you will program the crystal and you can start using the crystal for healing, for programming, for different purpose. One more method is you can bury these crystals in the soil. So you have to just take the crystal and soil, which is plants must be if plants are there at home, you can bury this crystal in the soil of the plants and next day you remove it and wash it under tap water. So these crystals, they get cleansed in soil as well. After these rituals on no moon day, one final cleansing and any ritual you can follow. Next day, that is new moon day, you can program the crystal and you can start using the crystal. Now how to get connected, how to activate the crystal. Method 1 is you can program or you can pray on the crystal. You can say your prayers and activate the crystal. Another way is you have to gaze at the crystal every day at fixed time for fixed interval. say night time is usually preferred. Say after dinner, say 9 p.m. You start gazing at the crystal, say initially for 30 minutes, and then slowly you can increase the timing. So when you are gazing, when you are staring at the crystal, you are giving your energy from your eyes to the crystal. At the same time, you are receiving crystal energy. So this way you are activating your crystal, this way you are getting synchronized with your crystal, and your crystal is getting synchronized with you, and you will notice that it has started getting connected with you. And then when you feel that you are connected with the crystal, you can start programming it, you can start using it for healing. Also, you will feel surprised. You can try talking to your crystals. You can ask questions to your crystal and wait for the answers. Either this crystal will show you answers with sparkles on it, or with some picture sign on it, or it will give you hint through your dreams, or it will give you hint through someone around you. So these crystals, they understand your vibration. They are like baby angels. They have reached you because they feel like helping you, and nature has sent them to you to help you. So if you have full faith in your crystals, and if you are well connected with crystals, they 100% work for you. For any query, you can write in the comment, and I'll try to make videos on those queries. I hope you all will like this video. Kindly like it, share it, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.